way to Shenandoah National Park, and I was dropped at Sawmill Ridge Overlook and headed back into the woods. There's my blaze. And I started super early because it's supposed to be like in the 90s this afternoon. So start early and take my time. So I'm hoping to do 18.6 and get to what they call a wayside, which there's food, milkshakes and stuff. So I'm hoping to get there in early afternoon, maybe, and cool off, and then ideally hike a few more miles. We'll see. You always start off in the morning with high hopes, and then we'll see how the trail is. Alrighty. So I am just over 3 miles in and getting ready to cross, I think, the Blue Ridge Parkway, or Skyline Drive. And which way? Zooming over here. Haven't had any views. I was looking on my Far Out app, and it sounds like there's not any real good views right on trail today. At least not for a little bit. You gotta walk, and they're not close today. They're like a mile away. So I don't think I'll hike to them because I'm doing enough miles already. So we'll just see what we see and be thankful. Got a little rocky path. I am just about 6 miles in, getting ready to find a spot to take a break and have a snack, and then keep on going. It's been nice. I got out here early because it's supposed to be so hot, and it's still feels pretty good. There's a breeze, and with the shade, it's not too bad. So, and again, still no snakes or creepy spiders or bears. Yoo-hoo. So I've noticed in the Shenandoahs, we have these concrete pillars, and they're they have stamped on like metal the trail, Riprap Trail parking area, Riprap Trail 0.4, Chimney Rock 1.6. So they're kind of permanent markers for the trail. Alright, crossing Skyline Drive again. Come back over. It's another one of these metal things. We got Black Rock Gap. Looks like 1.8. So, onwards we go. I had a little snack a little bit ago, and had a little snack, and then changed over to listening to my playlist. I made a hiking playlist, and it's like 8 hours long. But it's pretty good. So I'm just jamming along, listening to it, and keeping an eye out for snakes. Well, maybe I don't cross them. Maybe I just go straight over there. Met a nice hiker on trail. He was from Wisconsin, and he's through hiking. I'm trying to decide if he has to jump all the way up and do the northern states, or if he has enough time to make it. So, no unique animals, just squirrels. And I'm not minding it. Another road. Same road. Different spot. Headed back up into here. It is officially getting hot. To climb or not to climb? The app says to climb. Okay, let's see. It's so pretty. I climbed up here safely. But you can see so far away. So cool. So pretty. Got about 8 miles till the wayside. I just have to say, I can't believe I'm up here. This is so cool. And then I get to be up here. This is why you hike. This is so amazing. I was up there. Here's my trail. I was up on those, way up there. This came from that way. But this is just really cool. I'm so glad I'm out here. I've had a couple weeks of not a whole lot of stuff to see. And this is just amazing. One last video from here. Yeah, I was sitting right up there by that tree. Wow. And I think you could hike to that from, I've been hiking for about 10 miles, but there's shorter paths up to that from the Skyline Drive. So you could totally park and have a lot shorter hike to get up there and see it, which is totally worth it. Trail like this is amazing. It is flat, it is very well maintained, and there's not a lot of rocks, and it is wonderful. I was still at about 7 miles probably till I get to the wayside, but I was looking at my map and it looks like I don't have a whole lot more. I don't have a lot more of the ups and downs. Couple, but not bad. So while I have this lovely trail, I'm just going to be thankful and enjoy it. Because some days, like north of here, where it was like super, super rocky. So this is beautiful. Alrighty, got another road crossing. Back on Skyline Drive. We got new cars. And I'm assuming that this little deer path is actually a hiker path. Just past some day hikers that were going in the wrong direction. So I got them turned around so they could go see those really neat rocks. Alright, another road crossing. This time there's actually people on the road. So alright. Back in, there's some big old rocks over there. Got some neat rocks that I'm passing by. Oh. Slowly and surely making my way. They're super cool. Heading around. Still thinking snow snakes today. Or scary spiders. Some bees and some squirrels and chipmunks. So I'll take that. Oop. Hello, deer. Got a nice little deer. Pretty amazing. They just kind of ignore you. Hi. You're fine. See ya. Hey, we got a parking lot. Maybe a view. Let's see. Super pretty. I bet this would be a pretty view in the spring when there's nothing on the trees. But keep on going. Got a little millipede right there. Oh. Not too many animals today. Totally fine with that. Been keeping an eye out of these rocks. I feel like this could be where some snakes might be. But so far, so good. I got 1 mile to the little store where I can get some ice cream or something. And I am cooked. But I'm gonna go there, sit down, eat something, and see if I can't go ahead and do another couple miles. But we'll see. Well, found a nice little view. Might walk up here and see. Looks like on those other rocks. A little bit better spot. Alright, let's check here. Alright, make sure those big old snakes. Ooh, this is cool. Look at this. So pretty. I just have to sit here and take a break. Here is the little camp store I'm headed to. Oh, it's a steep little incline. Made it just in time. It says storms possible 4:15. Okay. So this is the nice little store. It was really nice in there, and the guy running it or working there, super friendly. Met a park ranger, super friendly. Got a pickle and a cranberry juice and some chips and a little sticker. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep hiking till I think I'm gonna go at least 1.7 more, maybe 4.3. We'll see when my ride is coming. Another deer right off the trail. Where's he at? There he is. Hi, buddy. This one's like, nope. Alright, let's get up on here and see. Keep an eye out for snakes. Oh man, look at this. This is just amazing. It's pretty far down there. So they say you get hiker legs, and I got dirt and mosquito bites and scrapes. Oh, it's worth it. These dang bugs are liking me. I put my hood up. I would highly recommend, I got this shirt it's called a town shirt. And they're kind of expensive, but they're breathable. And they dry really fast. They're long sleeves, so it's a sun shirt. But they have a hood, so you can put it up when these stupid bugs are annoying. Just found little bunny Foo-Foo. Let's see. Hi, buddy. What you doing? I don't want to scare you, but I need to go by you. You alright? Hop off the trail. Ready? Alright, go. There you go. So it's coming too. There's a butterfly up there drinking. He's probably so happy to have water. Looks like it's raining over there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a rainbow coming out from where that storm is. So I believe this should be another water source area. I don't know, maybe it's just a runoff area. I'm not sure, but it is super dry. But there is a storm cloud heading this way, so we'll see if I walk out of here dry or if I get stormed on. To be seen. It's a tiny bit of water in this stream, which I think is supposed to be a creek. But there is not much at all. Alright. There's some actual running water. As I'm crossing, I go back up and over and finish for the day. A bit of a view over here. Oh wait, come down here. There we go. Wow. It's pretty. Oh, I have a seat. Ooh. So I think this has been my absolute favorite day of hiking solo, maybe even with people. It's just I've had views popping up every so often. The trail was good. I mean, it's hot out. It's supposed to be like 94 or 90. I don't know. It's a little cooler up here. But it's just been amazing. And I think I went maybe over 20. I know that. I don't know how far, but it is over 20. There's the view. got that rainbow up on the other side, which was cool. But alright, I'm gonna get down off of here. So I thought it was videoing earlier, and I was showing these steps I was doing. And these aren't them, these are just rocks. It's kind of the same concept. You gotta step up, and they're uneven. And I do think what has saved me is I was saying that I worked out for about 6 months leading up to this. Walking with a couple friends a few days a week, hiking where I can in Ohio. It's not a very good training area. And then I did a ton of strength training. Squats, lunges, calf raises, even arms, yoga. I just kind of mixed it up. And I would work out about 6 days a week, varying what I did. So, because let me tell you, these step ups are brutal. Even when you're in shape, they're brutal. So, that's my little tip. But I am almost to the road. So ready to get off of here and take these shoes off. Yay, I made it. Oh, escape route. Let's see, the Appalachian Trail crosses 14 states, 5 national parks, 7 national forests, and numerous state parks and towns between Maine and Georgia. It's physically daunting. The climbing required in hiking the entire length of the AT is equivalent of Mount Everest 16 times. Ooh. Hikers finish with strong legs and renewed spirits. So this area I'm doing is 101 miles of the AT. So, and that shows some of the people working on the trail, which I greatly appreciated. Oh, yes, look at this. It's so exciting. And then I think tomorrow, that's my destination over there. So, I'm just gonna sit and wait.